Hey, it's Shay here again, and right now I want to show you one of my Make Money online campaigns that I recently showed my students to get them motivated to go make their own online money making campaigns. But there's something unique about these campaigns, specifically with this network that I'm talking about, and I use multiple networks, but I'm just showing you one here today, and it's something very unique, perhaps underground, not many marketers know about, and that is getting paid for generating clicks. This again is something that I teach my students all the time, because when you know how to do this and run campaigns to get paid with clicks, it's one of the easiest ways to make money online. And honestly, it's a shame more people don't know about it. But I'm just going to jump over right now to the network that I'm talking about. As you can see, I've just got it defaulted right now for today and yesterday. So 2 days right here, the 18th and today the 19th of October. And this graph right here specifically is the number of clicks that I've sent. Alright, as you can see, and it sort of just matches up. That's why I've just got a few days here. 35 clicks, which is here in the table, and 68 clicks. You can sort of just see that in the graph sort of out right there, but 68 there. And this one further along here, $6.21 RPC, revenue per click. That's what this column is here. So that matches to this one, $6.21. And for today, so far, we're halfway through the day, so this number will change. But currently, $7.57. Alright, so right there. And of course, you may be asking yourself, Shay, how is this possible? What is this? I don't understand. And, I get this a lot when I teach my new students how they can be getting paid with clicks. But it's just awesome. If you take a look at the visitors here, this is the visitors one right here, and I'm going to bring up more days in just a second, but I just wanted to focus on these first so it's just a little more clear. So as you can see, yesterday I only pushed 66 clicks through, visitors I should say, visitors, and 35 people clicked on the money making clicks. That's a 53% click-through rate, or CTR, and as I said, $6.21 per those 35 clicks, $217.50 made. And today so far, I've sent 139 visitors, 68 clicks. That's a 48% click-through rate, and as I said again, $7.57 per those 68 clicks, and $514 so far. And I'll just go back to the start of the month. So the 1st of October, I'll just run that report just to bring up some more numbers here. So there's the visitors, and you may be looking at that also and saying, well, that's not much traffic. And that's the awesome thing about it. You don't have to send much traffic to make a nice amount of money. And of course, it all comes down to the niche that you're going after and what you will earn per click. And we talk about that and teach that to my students. But as you can see, those clicks are really nice. And just pointing out this day right here, $700.08, $708.04 are made on the 17th, as you can see. And I was getting paid $6.68. Sent 202 visitors, 106 of those clicked, which is a 52% CTR right there. And I can just, through the graph there, you can check the table here as well. Take a look. This is only back, as I said, 19 days. So, just check out some of the numbers here: 250, 400, 400, 600, 300, 300, 600, 400, awesome numbers again. And this is just one network of 5+ that I currently use. So when I add them all together, it makes an awesome amount of money every day. And here's the thing, I'm willing to show you what I'm doing if you are truly serious. If you're interested in knowing more about getting paid for clicks, then I can show you exactly how I'm doing it. but I already know I'm not going to have this open for long. So what you have to do now is take action. Find the description of this video and click the link at the top right now. It'll just be a quick bit.ly link that I put there right at the top. Click that and it will take you straight over to my site so you can get instant access. And I'll go to my site as well just to show you what you will see and what steps to take next. So you've clicked the link in the description, you're on my site right here, right now. All you have to do is enter your best email address right here and then click the Get Instant Access button. So first, make sure you've done those few things. If you haven't already, click the link in the description now, then enter your email address and click the Access button. What will happen then is I will send you a welcome email, and that email is going to contain everything you need to get started right now today. So remember to go check your inbox shortly after and look for an email from me. If you have any questions at all, just reply to that email and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching this quick video. I look forward to working with you really soon.